BLACKPINK's Jisoo is making waves once again. Her latest single Earthquake has debuted at #1 on Billboard's World Digital Song Sales chart, solidifying her status as a global superstar. Let's dive into the details of her incredible achievement. On February 26th, Billboard announced that Jisoo's Earthquake, the title track from her mini-album Amortage, has claimed the top spot on the World Digital Song Sales chart. But that's not all. The song also ranked number 47 on the Billboard Global 200, number 22 on the Billboard Global 200, excluding the US, and number 20 on the Lyric Find Global chart. Since its release on February 14th, Amortage has been dominating charts worldwide. The album topped iTunes charts in 45 regions, claimed the #1 spot on Tencent Music's Kpop chart, and even led QQ Music's best-selling digital album annual chart. With over 500,000 sales in its first week, Jisoo has become the top-selling female solo artist in K-pop history. Earthquake has also been a massive hit on streaming platforms, with 36 million views on YouTube, 20 million streams on Spotify, and 800,000 TikTok videos featuring the track. The Earthquake Challenge, which includes appearances by BLACKPINK's Rose and actor Park Young-min, has taken social media by storm. Jisoo isn't slowing down anytime soon. She's actively connecting with fans through her Kpop Play series Newtopia, which airs every Friday at 8 p.m. Plus, her highly anticipated film Omniscient Reader's Viewpoint is set to hit theaters this July. Jisoo's Earthquake is more than just a song. It's a global phenomenon. From breaking records to engaging with fans worldwide, she continues to prove why she's one of the most influential artists in K-pop today. What do you think of Jisoo's latest achievements? Have you joined the Earthquake Challenge yet? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on your favorite K-pop stars. See you next time!